Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. I tried the boiled egg mayonnaise and this is the result I got. So I'm going to share the recipe with you. Before we go on, please like and share this video, leave a comment, click on the bell icon. Okay, so I have two boiled eggs here. I'm going to slice them into my blender. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to add a pinch of salt to it. Yes, and I'm going to add black pepper, white pepper, and I'm adding ginger and garlic powder, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk powder. You can use any milk powder of your choice, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Could be vegetable oil, olive oil, coconut oil. And so we are going to blend this. Okay, so I am blending now. Okay, so we are done blending and let's see the result. So this is the result. Very thick and creamy. Yes, so you see, if you want it to be a bit light, then you have to increase the amount of oil and water. Do you get it? So this is it. You see, very creamy, very creamy, you see, and the taste was very nice. This is a good option if you are in a hurry, you want to make some quick salad and you don't have any mayonnaise or salad cream. You can easily make this. And so I have some cabbage and carrots sliced, and I'm going to mix it with it and make my coleslaw. Yes, so you can also spread it in your bread and enjoy it. Okay, you can use it for your salad, you can spread it in your bread and enjoy. So this is our salad. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for me. Bye bye.